Today you'll be doing some lessons in method test prep, but just in case you forgot how to get there, I'm going to walk you through that process again. If you forgot how to get to Zello, you should be able to find a link in your Success 101 Google Classroom. There should be a section called Platforms and Links for Students, and within that there should be a link for Zello. There should also be a link for Edgenuity that we'll get to later. But you can open up the Zello link, and inside there it'll even remind you what your password is and your username is to get in. But the easiest way to get to Zello is to make sure you have it bookmarked on your bookmarks bar. So all you have to do is click there and you can access. The other helpful thing is to make sure you click the button that says to remember your username and password so your Chromebook will automatically log in for you. Once you get into Zello, you'll have a page that has your name on it, and then you'll scroll down until you find the Method Test Prep link. And you'll click on that Method Test Prep link to open Method Test Prep. Once you're inside Method Test Prep, always remember to click on ACT, ACT, ACT. Make sure ACT is the one that's highlighted. For this week, you are going to be working on evaluation quizzes under week 2. So scroll down and you are going to do week 2 evaluation quizzes, the English, math, reading, and science evaluation quizzes. Once you click on one of those, it will give you a little bit of instructions. Each quiz is timed between 10 and 15 minutes, and it tells you that in the instructions. But you'll do each of those quizzes, and then next time in class, we will record those evaluation quiz scores. So your task today at home is to take the 4 evaluation quizzes found in the Method Test Prep Week 2 category.